Hi vlog, future me right here. Just wanted to make an intro because I forgot. So welcome back to my vlog. The next clip is going to be me giving you guys a haul of all the fireworks that I got. So that's going to be the first clip you guys are going to see. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Turn that bell notification on so you don't miss another video.
Good, Jesus.
So I had got some like Lego fireworks that we sell here. The ones I got from Dollar Tree were these 3 poppets. I got 3 of them because what me and my family like to do, we like to pop these and throw them on each other to scare each other. And then the fireworks stands that we have, I got this one, this eye breaker one. This is how the image looks. I got this for my nieces. Then I don't know what these were, I just got them. All of these I got them for my niece to please have something for 4th of July because my mom's not getting those ones that go in the air. So I wanted to get them something. I got this one from Walmart, was this kicking party one. Just like little confetti ones. But it's just for the girls to pop.
Hi video.
Okay, sorry, my boyfriend interrupted me like always. That is everything that I got from Dollar Tree. This is where I went, the fireworks stand. I'll see you guys later on when I start getting ready for my 4th of July. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi vlog, today is 4th of July, so happy 4th. Right now we're getting ready because I'm gonna go head to my mom. My boyfriend's not gonna come along. He is gonna go to work though, but after work he is gonna come to my mom's house. I did already pack my bag. It's gonna be the next clip, but yeah, we're gonna go to my mom's and then like around 4:30 we're gonna head to my sister's house to go swimming. And then after we're done swimming, we're gonna head back to my mom's house to do the fireworks. So I'll see you guys when we head out. Okay, so pack my bag with me for my mom's. So this is my outfit. I know it doesn't match, but I'm just going my mom's house comfortably, so I'm just wearing this brown shirt that I got from Goodwill's, the Adidas shorts, and my Nike sandals. I know it doesn't match, but again, I'm going to my mom's house to just chill. Okay, so right now we made it to my mom's house.
Oh, go get it.
Okay, I'm with my sisters and we're out at the pool. Oh my god, they're both in the hot tub now.
Fucking face is red.
Who?
Hola.
Janaya's? Her face is always red. That's my brother. Alright, say hi to my vlog. Say hi. This is my sister. We have pizza. Say hello, brother.
What's better?
This is my other baby, Amberly. She's the middle child for my sister. She's eating pizza.
What's up, vlog?
Say hi. Hi, hubby. Hi, mom.
Here, hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it. Give it to the
Are those the ones you can draw?
Well, they're sparkles. They're gonna burn the ground. So yeah.
Well, the ones mom got last year didn't.
Here, I didn't leave it.
Oh. Malachi. Oh, there you go. Ooh, Trey, you're my view. Hey, hey. Anaya. Don't touch it! Meleca. Hey!
Stand next to sister. No, okay. Come here, come here, come here, come here.
Where's my babe?
Stand next to sister.
Oh my god, Meleca. Cheers, Trey. Cheers.
Stand right there.
Here.
Thank you. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my.
That's perfect. Talk about I'm smart as fuck. Jump over there?
No, Trey. And really move.
And really move.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Run!
Oh my god, babe.
Yours do the same thing, don't they?
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh shit! Move! Oh fuck, Mom. Malachi, move! Imagine you came this way. No, baby. You hear Lonnie? Oh, damn. Oh, shit.
Give me my candy.
Oh, there we go.
Candy.
I'm gonna pour it in there.
Oh, damn.
What's up, vloggers? Comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell button.